don't refuse what God has given you for something He has put on someone else's head. Okay, so this is the comment that really wanted to make me make this video. Hi, ladies and gentlemen. I am back with another video, and you can see that my hair is pulled back. I have on minimal makeup, and I wanted to follow up on my last video where I cut my hair off. I know y'all saw it, and there was I asked for advice, but there was a lot of comments. Like, people had a lot to say. I wanted to address and respond to some of those comments. And also, I wanted to just do a little deep conditioning treatment since I got this new hair going on. My edges are getting a little bit better. One of the young ladies asked me to do a full wash day routine. My shower is a little bit jank. I don't have like a really cute shower. I got like a little basic shower. But meanwhile, I'm just going to do my deep conditioning routine. Like, I do this deep conditioner every once a week because I'm noticing that my scalp is she's a little dry. She's a little crusty because of the weather change. So I just did an apple cider vinegar treatment on my scalp. So let me go ahead. Let's take the hair down. I just kind of pulled it up into a little bun. I actually did cut off like I think it was about another inch. And I will keep cutting it as much as I need to in order to just, make sure that this hair is going to stay healthy. So let's go ahead and get into my deep conditioning treatment. This is it right here. So it's basically salad dressing, girl. So I use mayonnaise, a tablespoon of olive oil, a tablespoon of honey, and cayenne pepper. So that's how I get this mixture right here. What we're gonna do now is just wet our hair so with deep conditioner can penetrate into our hair shaft. This is a water and Cantu combination. It's the butter for natural hair, moisturizing curl activator cream. Oh, I'm just spraying my hair down a little bit, just a little bit, just to get some moisture in there. Okay, there it is. So we're gonna just add the deep conditioner. So you can see that I'm parting my hair and adding the deep conditioner to the roots and dragging it down to the ends of my hair. I add it to the roots because the cayenne pepper is healthy for your scalp. It causes blood flow and circulation. So I just try and add it all over my head, all the way down to the ends of my hair. And honey is a natural humectant, so it pulls in moisture as well. So I just want to add all of that to my hair and then twist my hair and place it on the top of my head while I do the other side. So I kind of just skip through some parts on this side and just put the mixture on my hair. But you get the point. And this creates a really perfect deep conditioner for you. And it's very inexpensive. You can get it from the grocery store. Anybody can buy it, and it wouldn't cost you more than, $8 or so. So it's a perfect deep conditioner. All you have to do is add your shower cap and you're ready to go. So I've put all of the deep conditioner in my hair. I'm just going to let it sit for 15 minutes. While I do that, I'm going to respond to some comments that some of y'all put on my last natural hair video when I cut it for the first time. Y'all had all types of shit to say, and I want to respond to it. Bernicia Oliver, girl, she said, girl, shave that shit off and stop playing. Some of y'all be out here be shady. That wasn't even shady, girl. That was a read. I'm not going to shave it off. You know what? I actually did think about it because I watched a couple girls shave their head off. The only thing about my head is that the very back of my head is real flat. It's like I was laying on my back too much. That's what she said, but that's not what I meant. Shaving my head is not really an option right now. Maybe when I get older, but I don't really like my head shape for that. It's like a little bit weird. But thank you for the tip, girl. You tried it. The young lady named Chara Page Wells said, sis, you should go to a professional. When somebody starts something with sis, that means like, girl, I'm about to let you know what's up. Sis, the reason why I won't go to a professional right now is because I haven't found a professional that I like so far. And the professionals that I have found that are okay, they are expensive. And let me tell you something, that when my check is a little bit, it's not, I don't got it like that. So I spent $125 last time I got my hair cut. I'm not trying to be doing that this time. I probably should. I mean, you're right. Now, May said, have you ever thought about going to a doctor to get a blood workup? My hair was super thin, child, and I had to do a big chop all the way to the core. Turns out that I was both iron and vitamin D3 deficient. I'm now taking vitamins and my hair is growing back thicker. A lack of iron and vitamin D and protein can make your hair thin. You know, when I read this comment, I was like, you know what? You could be right. I definitely need to do a workup because I recently went plant-based. Well, mostly plant-based. Because I went plant-based, I may not be getting enough protein because I went from eating meat every day, like 2 times a day, to eating meat like 2 to 3 times a week. That could definitely be the case. Now, my hair has always been fine. Ever since I was a kid, my hair was fine. It was a little bit thicker when I was younger, but it was still very, very fine. My mother has fine hair, so I have fine hair. But I do think that there are things that I can do just to make it look a little bit healthier and thicker. But yeah, thank you, May. Okay, so JJ Sweetie. Hey girl, JJ Sweetie. She said the answer is simple. No wigs, no weaves. I bet a lot of you have gorgeous, beautiful hair. Stop messing it up by sewing in random people's hair. Your hair will grow with sunlight and good care. Since when do we need to do protective styling? Don't believe that crap. Your hair will grow long too. Women, you are beautiful and you don't need other people's hair on your head to make you look good. Don't refuse what God has given you for something He has put on someone else's head. Okay, so this is the comment that really wanted to make me make this video. I think I need to clarify, and I'm not sure if I gave this impression or what, but when I can't speak for everybody, when I personally wear wigs, I don't wear weaves. One thing I need to make clear is that I don't wear wigs because I don't like my hair. I love my hair, and I think I said that in my last video. I love my hair. I try my best to maintain my hair. At the same time, I have always loved to switch it up. When I was younger, I would change my hair once a week. I would do cornrows, I would do foxtails, I would do all that type of stuff. Now that I got wigs, girl, it's a whole new world. It's like hair is like an outfit to me. Now, it doesn't mean I don't love my black roots. It doesn't mean I don't like my texture. I love everything about my hair. I do wish it was thicker. The whole reason why I'm making this video. I think it's a little bit presumptuous for us to think that just because a black woman is wearing wigs or even weaves that she don't like her hair. And with protective styling, I do think wigs are a good source of protective styling. Now, there may be some methods that I could be using that would not contribute to my hair growth. And I do believe sunlight is great for our hair growth, but I don't think that just because you wear wigs, you don't like your hair. In my family, we love hair. That's just what we do. It's like a culture. It's part of the African American culture too. It's a beautiful part of our culture. So, yeah, girl. But I need to just clarify to TT, honey, no, girl. I personally don't believe just because you wear wigs and weaves, you don't love your hair. That's a misconception that we have had for a while. Love my hair. Wouldn't change it for the world. Thanks, TT, for your comment. In Heavy said maybe lay off the weaves sometimes. Cornrows can thin out your hair. You can try castor oil and add some essential oils to improve the thickness. Now, I have been using castor oil and I think it definitely helped with my hairline because when I did sew down my wigs, I think it would break off the hair in the front of my head. Now I don't do that. I don't pin down my wigs or anything. So nothing really tugs at my edges, but the only thing that does tug at my edges is cornrows. But I do agree that cornrows could be the culprit because I'm wearing them more than ever. And I have been using Jamaican black castor oil. I think it's the Sunny Isle kind and I really like it, but I don't think I've seen the benefits because my ends were so bad. So I will continue to use the castor oil and I'll let you know how it is, girl. Let's see. Tori Tyson said, I would keep the heat off my hair if I were you. Your hair is very thin. Okay. Yes, girl. Y'all just keep telling me how thin my hair is. A good short haircut will make your hair look thicker and healthier. Just my opinion. By the way, I have thick natural hair. Hey, Tori. I can see in your picture that you have thick, gorgeous natural hair. And I did cut my hair a little bit more. So hopefully this will get me in your realm. Giggly Fits Girl said, she said, you're probably going to hate this piece of advice, but in my experience, the only way I was able to learn what my hair needs, minimize breakage, and retain length was completely ditching my wigs. Not wearing my wigs forced me to learn to deal with the care of my hair, and I learned so much and loved wigs. But once I learned my hair, the desire to wear wigs faded completely. So, like I said before, wigs are they're just, oh girl, they're me. Plus, this channel, what is it going to be about? What are y'all going to watch? But I understand, I get that some people ditching their wigs started to help them take care of their hair. Totally get it. That just won't be me, girl. I'm going to have to learn how to take care of my hair with wigs on. I don't want to butcher this person's name, but I'm definitely going to try to say it. Maunyo Amegeshi said, girl, your hair looks very weak and I know it's not your fault. Oh my God. That was hilarious. Y'all be, ooh. So now I think we're on 15 minutes or more of me doing my deep conditioner. I'm going to go ahead and do a heat treatment on my head. So just put a little heat cap on and let that run for a minute. And then I will wash my hair and then come back and you'll see what sort of glorious sort of hair I'm going to have after that. I'll see y'all in a minute. This is what it looks like afterward. I just washed my hair with the apple cider vinegar root rinse. Y'all know I've been having a scalp problem, so I'm using this and it seems to be helping, but it takes a few tries to get it to work. And I doused in my scalp and my hair with coconut oil. I used the Aussie Moist conditioner like I always use, and this is what my hair looks like. No product. You can see like a couple of flakes. So this is what I will be doing every week until, you know, things change. And I did like 2 little French braids down the side, and on the back is just 1 French braid down. Y'all tell me what you think. If you have any comments, questions, you can leave them down below. It's because I know y'all gonna be reading me again. I know you will. I love y'all. I guess I will see y'all in my next video. Oh, girl, these dark circles are trying it.